Hey, what's up everybody? What's going on? I gotta tell you guys this real quick because it's happening and it's going pretty quick right now. But the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL on Google Fi is half off today, celebrating Google Fi's birthday. So happy birthday to Google Fi. You can get a Pixel 3 or 3 XL half off. So $399 for the 64 gigabyte variant for the Pixel 3 and $499 for the Pixel 3 XL 64 gigabyte variant. Now, if you go to 128 on the Pixel 3, it'll be $449, and if you go with the 128 variant for the 3XL, it'll be $549. I'm telling you guys this right now because it's going really quick. I just checked online to see if I can get the not pink variant 64 gig, and it's sold out. Okay, the 64 gigs are sold out already. So there's only the 128 gigs for the Pixel 3. I didn't check the 3XL, but you might want to go in right now and check on it. If you were thinking of switching to Google Fi, now's the time to do it. You get the Pixel 3, 3XL half off, cheaper than spending almost $1,000 for the XL, and almost $800 for the $900 for the Pixel 3. So definitely something you guys want to go check out right now. Go to fi.google.com. That is the site. Get you right there. Go ahead, and I believe you can do the pay over time option too. So if you don't have $399 or $449 to put down on the phone right now and completely buy it out, you can finance it over 24-month payments. So yeah, get off my video now, and then if you were interested, get off my video now and go to the site and get you one right now because it's only for today. So that's it for you guys. Thanks for checking out this quick little video. Aloha.